So 2024 Tacoma oil change. That's the filter 90915-YZZN1, and using Mobile One full synthetic 0W20, 6 quarts. Okay, first thing is taking up the skid plates. 12mm. Not too bad, no, it's plastic, so it's light. And your oil drain plug is right there, 14mm, and oil filter is right there, spin on filter. And 14mm, and drain them. Make sure you get the old gasket off of there. Clean your drain plug. OEM Toyota drain plug gasket. Torque is 30 foot-pounds, but I just do by feel. And that's good. And our oil filter, I use this claw tool. Usually the stock filter is pretty tight. That. Got a little spout there. Spout. Doesn't spill. This part number is a little bit different. What came out was 90915-10009, and the replacement is same. And you like kind of just clean up that area, and then they already put grease, so you just take out this plastic and then smear the grease around and screw them on. brake clean. Just clean the surface. And smear the grease around. Screw them up. And filters, you just want to go hand tight. And just put the skid plate back on and you can fill them up with oil. You always want to double check, make sure everything is tight. Check your drain plug again, double check your oil filter, and then wipe all the drippings. So 6 quarts, and don't forget to put your cap back on when you're done. And resetting maintenance light, you go to settings and you go down to vehicle settings and oil maintenance, and then reset data, and that's it.